morning, Corky here again. I said that was going to be the last video, but then I came up on a whole box of fine leaf foliage that I've not used. I want to show you this stuff because this is maybe one of the best products that Woodland Scenics does. But it's just like this stuff here. And there's actually, within these clumps, there's actually ready-made trees. Skinny trees, like that. And I'm adding it to the layout. And there's a lot of skinny places that, well, I was real embarrassed to thinking I was complete and then come up on a whole box of material I hadn't used. I'm gonna walk around here. Maybe I won't completely destroy everything. And to see, like these trees here, they're ready made, see? And then there's some dead type of trees. All of this was in that last box that I discovered while I was showing the family my progress. And it really works good. And so these trees, you just have to, stick my drill down, make a hole in the ground, put a little glue in there and stick it in there. They're ready made. Because the trees that I made, some of them will shed a lot in the night. And then you don't worry about it because it just puts bushes underneath the trees. So anyway, I wanted to tell you about this product because I think this company, Woodland Scenics, is really amazing. So they gave me this whole box and I had forgotten about it. And so you just piece through here. You got these limbs and things. And that could be a tree, see? Just clipped off the end there and shorten it a little bit and stick it in a hole, see? Okay. This is the Cadillac of, well, mine's not a Cadillac, but this particular company is the leading Scenics for model railroad and dioramas. Y'all have a good day.